Hello everyone, my name is Malay Biswal and you are watching Helpful Things, where we discuss about the tips and tricks to make life simple and productive for you, right? So let's get started with another video where we are discussing about how to pay LIC premium online. So as you can see, I'm in the LIC website. So what you need to do is that first you need to go to licindia.in. So this is the website licindia.in, and then there are two ways to pay the premium online. One is you can log in through the customer portal. That means you need to create your profile in LIC India website and then pay it, or you can pay directly as well. So here there are many links, okay, and this is little tricky. I don't know why LIC had made it difficult, but it is little tricky. So stay with me, I will tell you the exact procedure. So here you can see a link, pay premium online, right? And also you can see one more link here, just pay premium online, right? So any of this link, whatever you click, you will land into another web page. So I will click here, pay premium online, and you land into this page. So here, as you can see here, it says pay premium through e-service and registration is required. That means you need to create your user profile in LIC website and then you can pay. And here it says no registration required. So now we are going for no registration required part. So I will click here, and once I click here, you see that it lands into another page where actually it requires the user ID and the password, right? So we just told that we don't need the registration, but again it is asking for. So that is what I was telling, that it was a little difficult and tricky, but I don't know why LIC India has done it. So here what you need to do is that just move to this side. On the right side you can say there is something written pay direct, okay? This is pay direct. So if you click on this link, then only you will land to the point where you can directly pay without any kind of registration, okay? So here what you need to do is that you need to select that what you are paying: renewal premium, advance premium, loan repayment, or loan interest payment. So I am paying the renewal premium, so I'll click here. And then it says that you need to go through 3 steps, okay? Customer validation, premium particulars, and the payment, right? So I'll proceed now. Now it asks for the policy number. So enter your policy number. Make sure that your policy number is correct, otherwise it will not allow you to make the payment. And enter your date of birth here, your mobile number, the installment amount without tax. Don't bother about tax, just write the exact premium that you used to pay and the email ID here. Okay, so there are few instructions here. I will just read that. Please provide the correct and valid mobile number and the email ID, because this will be used. The second point says the receipt would be mailed to your email ID. So you have to provide a correct email ID, otherwise you will not be able to receive the receipt. I will tell you that how to download the receipt, but better to provide a correct email ID. Then the online premium payment should be made by the policyholder himself. No third-party payments should be made using this mode of payment, right? So this is another point. And the fourth point is, if the premium amount is debited from your bank account but error page displayed, that means your transaction is not successful or something like that, a receipt will be sent to your email ID in 3 working days after receiving the confirmation from your bank. So sometimes payment gets hold down between the bank and the LIC. So at that point of time, it will take little time to get a confirmation from the bank. So that point of time, you will not receive the receipt immediately, but you just need to wait for 3 days. So you can report such occurrence to this email ID. So you can note down this email ID in case you are getting into this kind of problem. You can report here. I have not yet encountered this kind of issues till now. Okay, and then the fifth point is important. So that saying, if retrying, if your payment didn't go through and you're trying it again, please first check whether your bank account or the card is already debited or charged. So if the amount is already debited from your account, don't try it immediately again, okay, with the amount of the earlier transaction. If the debited or the charged, please do not pay again. Receipt will be sent as stated above. That means what they are saying basically is that if you are doing the payment and from your account the amount already been debited, but you just received the error page saying that payment is not successful or something like that, just don't go and pay it again. Okay, just wait for 3 days and you will receive a payment if the amount is already debited from a bank account, but some reason LIC didn't receive the payment, so they will settle it. LIC and bank will settle it, but it will take maximum 3 days of time. That's what it means. Okay, I have received a lot of queries from people where they say that what will happen kind of, right? So that is why this info. So now I will fill up all the information. You also do fill up all the information and then we'll meet. So after you filled all the information, click on agree and then submit. So now it displays, it will be displaying your policy number, the due date, when actually it was due, okay, and then the what is the premium amount, that also it will display, and the total premium. Then you can click on this check and pay. So I'll click on. So now you can see that your payment gateway is Paytm. That doesn't mean that you are paying only through Paytm. It says that your payment gateway is Paytm, but you can pay through internet banking, debit card, credit card, anything. Okay, now click on this check and pay. So once you click that, see here, now you are here where you see that you can pay through net banking, you can pay from debit card, you can pay from UPI, you can pay from credit card, whatever options is convenient to you. So make payment from that option. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now I will just make a payment. Okay, so I'll say pay here. So once your payment is successful, you'll be redirected back to LIC, and there you can see all this information. What is your payment ID? What is the LIC order number? What is the payment date and time? What the payment through, how did you pay, like net banking, credit card or debit card, and then you will see the payment amount as well. So now if you have done the payment and somehow you have not received your payment receipt, so what you will do, again go to the same point, click on pay premium online, click on pay direct. It will again take you to same page. You click on pay direct here. So once you do that, here you can see that download receipts, right? View or download receipts for the completed transaction only. If your transaction is on hold, as we have discussed during the payment, then it will not show you. But for us, the transaction is through, right? I showed you that it gave me a page also. The transaction is successful, right? So now if I click on this, it asks you for the policy number. It will ask you date of transaction, and it will ask you also the please say the transaction type. What did you pay? I paid a renewal payment. So I click on this and I can give all this required details here, and then click on the submit button. And if I click on this, it is a link actually. If you click on the receipt number which is given, so if I click on this, it actually downloads the whole receipt in the PDF format, and then you can save this receipt for your future reference. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please to put into the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. So that's all for this video. Let's wait for the next video where we will bring up some more useful tips to make your life easy and productive. Thank you.